All right, this is work I'm doing. Okay, so it's not technically nosy. Actually the car came back. This truck came in. It's 1500 guys. Came in. I don't know, a week ago for the inspection. I inspected it, wrote up an estimate, and my parts. The customer brought it back. This truck, 1500. This got a look at all this room, man. This always amazes me, guys. This is a Pentastar engine. Now, guys, listen to me. Hear me out real good. This is the same Pentastar engine that's in every other brand that Chrysler make, right? But let me tell you something. I have yet to tear down an engine in a 1500 to do ticking noise or whatever. I refuse to call that a coincidence. I don't know, but it's the same engine, guys. I don't know if it's the way the engine bolted down to the frame. What is causing this particular model? And I talked to my other techs, my other buddies. Nobody has done. I'm sure there's somebody, but I don't know if anybody that's pulled the valve covers off a 1500 with a 3.6 Pentastar to do lifters or rock arms. That's one of those things that make you go, yeah, here go all my parts. So we got I don't know what that is. Yeah, front and rear brakes, guys. Y'all see these brake pads? I don't see no rotors. That tells me we are resurfacing the rotors. Okay, see spark plugs down there. Hey guys, real diff fruit. I forgot I wrote that up. We're gonna do a real diff service. Remember I told y'all, do not sleep on your real diff service. Okay, I got the seals because I'm doing spark plugs, which means the intake has to come up. It's only 4, so it's 2 more down there. So yeah, and I think we're doing a trans service. Yeah, see that ATF? This is Valvoline. I think this truck may have an 8-speed rear-wheel drive unit in it from time to time. If it's over, the only way I sell a trans service is if it's over 100,000 miles. That way, you know, I'm not going back in. This is the cheaper version. It's not really a cheaper version. I mean, Valvoline have assured us that it practically guaranteed they fluid as far as if it cause any damage, they will cover it under warranty. So that's how well they standing by their product, guys. Go figure. So it is what it is. That's what we're gonna use. That's what we're gonna use. All right, what my neighbor doing over here? Hey, this is a Wrangler. Where all my Wrangler buddies at? But it's not the Pentastar, guys. This is the old style 3.8 liter engine. Yeah, y'all know this engine had a history of that little intake gasket, that little chrome steel little plate right here. Yeah, these leak coolant all the time, guys. They used to drive mechanics crazy back in the day. You know, this same engine is in the caravans and the minivans and things like that. So I'm sure it's probably coolant rolling down in the back. The typical place they now housing oil filter adapter housing. So yeah, I made a lot of repairs on. Be careful with these PCV valves, guys. I highly recommend you replace those at the recommended time interval, because you can have all kinds of crazy intake lights and crazy code pertaining to torque management. That PCV valve used to drive us crazy, guys. Yeah, so these are fairly easy, guys, but before anybody knew what was going on, we ran into a lot of problems. He got the new O-rings and gas. Here go the old gasket right here. Can't see if it's leaking, I guess. Yes, it's been out here a minute. We hardly see these anymore, these older models. They typically end up at the aftermarket shops. But from time to time, people are adamant about getting their cars fixed, you know, at a bigger establishment. Okay, I guess someone with a reputation, establishments with a reputation and can offer you a warranty is where everybody going. That's why it's kind of risky for an unknown person. And I get asked this question all the time. You gonna open up your own shop? No. It's a lot of competition out there, and these guys are offering bigger, high-powered warranty on their product and on they will stand by, and so will I. But customers just feel Man, I had a guy that worked in the dealership with me. Okay, he wanted me to do a timing belt on his Breeze, Plymouth Breeze, the little 2.4. He would not let me do it at his house. It don't matter how much money he saved. He like, no man, I need you to do it at the dealership. It's like, why, man? Why? It's just something about here. I was kept telling him, look, man, I'm the same JT at the shop as I am at your house. I could do this in your garage, and I don't know. I guess the paperwork states, but you know me, I will warranty. I don't know, man. It's just crazy how. But that's the reputation that some places build up, which can be a good thing, okay? Can be a good thing. People feel comfortable coming to an establishment, sitting down, talking to management, talking to people, and getting their cars worked on. They just feel comfortable doing it that route. Hey, Durango. Hey, this is the 3.6. Guys, remember I told y'all, all 2016 and up, Durango gets this 3rd generation Pentastar. Alright, no ticking. I have yet to go in one. Hey, that's still staying. Okay, these are equipped with EGR valves, guys. EGR coolers. Okay, I have yet to go in one. I can't wait till I do. I'm itching to film, get me some footage. I have no footage of not even removing the valve cover. I have no footage at all. Only footage I have of the Pentastar Gen 3 is tune-up. And I'm going to put that right there just in case somebody want to see how difficult it is to get to. That's the only footage I have of that engine. And I merely had to lift up the intake manifold to get to the spark plugs. But thank God, no more TIPM. Yes, this is just the typical transfer of power. Fuse box, that's all a fuse box is. Just transfer. Oh, that TIPM, man, was an experiment that didn't go so well. In my opinion. It's my opinion, okay? The engineers at Chrysler may not think so. And I'm not about to argue with them. But this is not, no more TIPM, guys. They are done with that experimentation. All right, so, and with that being known and said, guys, I'm about to wrap it up. I'm done. Okay, so that's basically all I have, guys, man. I appreciate y'all watching the video. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.